This time, we have a new set of formulas and it is for differentiating logarithmic functions. Okay, so the first formula is that if you have or if you are about to differentiate the logarithmic of u to the base a, it is equal to log of e to the base a all over u times du dx. Do not forget that u is a function of x. Okay? So, number 1, if y is equals to 4 log of 3x minus 2. Okay? Recall, pag meron kang n log m, equal lang naman yan sa log of m raised to n. Okay? Di ba inaral natin to? Naaral nyo na din to? Okay? So, yung a nga pala dito, constant lang po yan. So, yung a mo dito, pag wala ka nakita, matic 10 yun. Huwag mo na lang ilagay. Okay? So, y is equals to log of 3x minus 2 raised to 4. So, I can see that u here is 3x minus 2 raised to 4. Okay? du, power rule, pababa yung 4, 3x minus 2. Dahil bumaba yung 4, bawasan mo ng isa. Pero huwag kang titigil dahil hindi mo pa na-differentiate yung loob. Ano bang derivative ng 3x? 3. So, 3 times 4, 12. 3x minus 2 cube. Let it be. Okay? Again, pag i-differentiate ko, ang log of u equals lang yan sa log of e to the base a all over u times du dx. Okay? So, substitute ko lang. Log of e, ang a ko ay 10 kahit hindi ko na lang po ilagay. Default na kasi yung value. U is 3x minus 2 raised to 4. And then, ang du dx ko ay 12 times 3x minus 2 cube. So, as you can see, parehas lang tong term na to, magkaiba lang yung exponent nila. So, kumbaga, meron lang akong x raised to 1 over x raised to 4 times x cube. Diba? Mababawasan nyo ng 3 kasi kinancel mo na yun nandito. So, ganun lang din yung mangyayari dito. So, this is equal to 12 log e 3x minus 2. And that is the derivative of this equation. You are going to apply the properties and rules and laws of logarithmic functions. So, babalikan nyo po yun, ha? Next, what if f of x is equals to log of cube root of x? Okay? Diba equal lang naman to sa logarithmic of log of x raised to 1/3. So, u ko malinaw, that is 1/3. Tama? Du, bababa si 1/3. Dahil bumaba, bawasan ko ng isa. So, this is equals to 1/3 x raised to negative 2/3. Or simply, this is equal to 1 over 3 x raised to 2/3. Okay? So, f prime of x, diba equal lang yun sa log of e over u times du dx. Tama? So, log e, u is x raised to 1/3. Du dx is 1/3 x raised to 2/3. Okay? So as you can see, meron akong x raised to 1/3 times x raised to 2/3. So same base, ang gagawin ko, copy the base, add the exponent. So 3x raised to 1/3 plus 2/3. And the answer is log e all over 3x. Okay? So, that is how you're going to differentiate logarithmic functions. So, copy the examples. Okay, third example. If f of x is equals to x squared log of x squared, evaluate the first derivative at which x is equals to 3, or f prime of 3. So as you can see, very clear, we have u and we have v, which is in product form. And if you want to find the f prime of x, that is equals to u dv plus v du. Okay? So given that u is equals to x squared, malinaw na malinaw, du, bababase 2, bawas ng isa, 2x. And then, v is equals to log x squared. Okay? So, dv is equals to log of e, or log of 10 to the log of e to the base 10, all over u, which is yung x squared, times derivative ng u. Anong derivative ng x squared? 2x. So, as you can see, makakancel lang natin to. At ang dv ko ay 2 log e over x. Again guys, kapag yung base mo ay 10, kahit hindi mo na po yun ilagay doon. Pero kapag yan ay pi, 1, 2, 3, 4, basta hindi 10, kailangan mong ilagay doon. Ha? So, let us set this up. So, f prime of x, u dv, so my u is x squared, dv is 2 log e over x. Okay? Plus v, which is log of x squared, times dv du, which is 2x. So, cancel lang, di ba? This will become 2x log e plus 2x log x squared. So, may common factor tayo. Yung 2x, factor out ko lang. That's 2x log of e plus log x squared. And if we were asked to find f prime of 3, you're just going to substitute 3 sa lahat ng may x dito. At kapag ginawa mo yon, ang sagot is approximately 8.33. So as you can see, katulad ng mga previous nating lessons, formula based lang po ang ating ginagawa. Wherein, kapag may derivative ka ng log of u to the base a, yan lang po ay log of e to the base a all over u times du over dx. Okay? So, copy your notes. Okay, so let's move forward to the second type of logarithm, the natural logarithm or log. Pero before that, let us recall some properties. If I have ln of 5, so that is simply equal to log of 5 to the base e. Parehas lang po yun. Okay? Recall also that ln of e is equal to 1. Okay? Again pag may ln ako ng 5, that is just equal to logarithm of 5, pero ang base ko po ay e. Okay? And i-derive natin tong formula na to mula dun sa isa nating formula. Sabi dun sa isang formula, derivative of log of u to the base a is equals to log of e to the base a all over u times du dx. What if a is equals to e? For example, log of x to the base e. Diba? Equal lang yan sa lone x. So, tingnan natin. Using this formula, that's log of e. What is a? E. Yun yung nasa calculator nyo po. Over u times du dx. But, log of e to the base e is 1. Kasi ang log of e to the base e ay equal lang po sa lone of e. At kakasulat ko lang kanina, lone of e is equal to 1. So as you can see, madiderive natin 1 over u times du dx. So this is if the derivative of u to the base e, or simply, that is a derivative of lone of u. Okay? Tandaan nyo, kapag ginawa yung base ay e, ln yun yung natural logarithm. Okay, guys? Okay ba sa pag-differentiate? Okay? Just to give you one example, if y is equals to ln of x cubed, ano meron sa atin? U is equals to x cubed. Du is equals to 3x squared. Kung hahanapin mo yung y prime, di ba yan ay 1 over u times du over dx. Or derivative of u with respect to x. What is u? X cubed. What is du? 3x squared. So, cancel lang. This is equals to 3 over x. Okay? And that's how you're going to derive this one from our general formula. So, kahit, di ba, na-minimize yung pwede mong sauluhin. Okay? So, copy your notes.